Welcome back. Let's get you all the latest updates from Kerala. Polling is underway for all the 140 constituencies. All the big political leaders, including Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, BJP's E. Sridhar and the Metro Man, all of them cast their vote early in the morning. Till 1:30 p.m, the voter turnout is at 47.03%. You had, as I mentioned, Pinarayi Vijayan, E. Sridhar and Ramesh Chennithala, who is the leader of opposition, former Chief Minister Oomen Chandy, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, all of them exercising their voting franchise. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan cast his vote from Dharmadam seat in Kannur. After casting his vote, the Chief Minister expressed confidence that it will be the LDF that will come back to power, even saying that they will close the BJP's account in Kerala. BJP's fielded its senior leader C.K. Padmanabhan to take on Vijayan. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, meanwhile, speaking to the media, said that the trend and momentum in this election is with his party. As the Saffron Party is hoping to make inroads in Kerala, it's fielded Rajya Sabha members like popular actor Suresh Gopi, KJ Alfonso also is in the poll fray. Kerala has two main contenders usually, which is LDF and UDF. The BJP hoping to make inroads.
കഴിഞ്ഞ നിയമസഭയിൽ ഉണ്ടായതിനേക്കാളും കൂടുതൽ സീറ്റ് ഉണ്ടാകും. ജനങ്ങളാണ് ഈ സർക്കാരിൻ്റെ കൂടെ എല്ലാ കാലത്തും അണിനിരന്നത്. ആ ജനങ്ങൾ തങ്ങളുടെ വിധിയാണ് രേഖപ്പെടുത്താൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഒരു സംശയവുമില്ല, LDFന് ചരിത്ര വിജയം ജനങ്ങൾ സമ്മാനിക്കുമെന്നത് ഉറപ്പാണ്.
BJP will have an impressive show this time. There's no doubt about it. And regarding myself, I have no doubt at all. I will win from Palakkad constituency with a big margin. My entry in BJP has given a different image to BJP. That all right-thinking people who are wanting the country to progress, they will now go on entering BJP.
Absolutely positive sense is what I've picked up. I think the trend is with us. The momentum is with us. Even those who are not terribly friendly to us have admitted that in the last 10 days they have seen a significant shift towards the UDF, and I believe today it will translate into victory. Of course, exit polls will be taken by all the polling organizations as people come out of the booths. I think they're going to get a bit of a surprise given their earlier surveys.
Message to the people. A message to the people.
What?
A message to the people about you voted today. What would you like to tell the people?
Poll your vote.
What would you like to tell the people of Kerala?
Poll your vote. Take care of COVID.
Thank you.
And let me take this across also to Sachidananda Murthy, who is the resident editor of Malayalam Manorama, who's joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Murthy, Pinarayi Vijayan, speaking earlier after casting his vote, seems very, very confident that Kerala this time will not be following the usual trend it does of LDF, UDF, LDF and then UDF. This time he's saying it's going to be LDF again. I want your comment on that, and also on the fact that he said that we'll close the BJP's account in Kerala. Do you see the Bharatiya Janata Party being a big factor in this election?
On the confidence of the Chief Minister, he has been very confident that the LDF will do well, basically on the success of his welfare programs and also the huge infrastructure projects that has been taken. And he has been determining the course of the entire election as far as the LDF is concerned. We have not heard of any other major campaigners. Even the allies of the CPM in the LDF, their leaders have been much more muted, allowing Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan to have the limelight, and he is the one who will lead. And I think since he has campaigned in all the 140 constituencies, he seems to have his own reading of the situation, and that's why he's confident. And also for him, the BJP has been a big thorn in his side, especially the BJP government at the center. They've unleashed central agencies like the National Investigative Agency, the Enforcement Directorate, the Customs, and have come to the heart of the Chief Minister's office with charges of corruption, smuggling and all that. So he would like to see the back of the BJP completely, and also that will give him the triumphism as the man who could stop the march of the BJP. So that was his confidence.
All right, Mr.
But
Murthy,
the
thank you for
BJP
joining us
itself
on
has
this
also
broadcast with your insights as well. We promised to get you all the latest updates from all the states, Tamil Nadu, Kerala as well as Puducherry. I'll be constantly getting you the latest updates on the voting figures, the people who've come out to vote and the general sentiment on the ground. It's a wrap on this edition of the